Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Apply toner to the skin. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Remove the cotton pads after 3 minutes. Dermabrasion cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot. This applies to the forehead, nose, and chin. On the cheek, beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Evenly apply RF cream around the eyes. IRF, address under eye shadows and fine lines for effective elimination. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Mask promotes facial circulation. Setting: select the desired color according to the individual skin conditions. Place the mask securely on the recipient's face and let it work for 15 minutes. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.